3D printing, also called additive manufacturing, is a revolutionary process where objects are created by layering material in three-dimensional space based on digital models. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods, which carve out parts from raw materials, 3D printing builds up objects layer by layer, reducing material waste. But how does 3D printing create business value? 3D printing automates the production of prototypes and end-use products. Unlike traditional methods, it requires minimal human intervention once the printing starts, significantly reducing the labor cost and time to market. In addition, 3D printing shifts the balance of manufacturing power. Instead of centralized large-scale factories, companies can design a product digitally, share the design across borders, and have it printed locally. This model cuts down on shipping costs and democratizes the production process. 3D printing also reduces lead times and complexities in supply chains. For example, a company can manufacture parts on demand, eliminating the need for large inventories, which reduces overhead and storage costs. As far as facilitating digital transformation, 3D printing integrates well with digital technologies like AI and cloud computing. AI-powered tools can optimize designs for 3D printing, making products lighter, stronger, and more efficient. Cloud-based platforms allow companies to store and manage 3D designs globally. In addition, 3D printing transforms traditional operations by decentralizing manufacturing. Companies can digitize their operations, shifting from mass production to customizable, localized production. This significantly reduces transportation emissions and enhances sustainability efforts. Lastly, 3D printing has opened up new business models. Entrepreneurs can create entirely new categories of products that were previously impossible with traditional manufacturing. 3D printing has had a profound impact on healthcare by enabling customized prosthetics, dental implants, and bioprinting. These innovations lead to personalized healthcare solutions, improving patient outcomes and reducing costs. 3D printing is also particularly useful for the aerospace industry. 3D printing is used to create lightweight, durable parts for aircraft and spacecraft, reducing fuel consumption and manufacturing costs. Some barriers to adoption still exist, such as the high cost of certain materials and the need for skilled workers to design and operate 3D printers, but as 3D printing technology matures, the cost of printers and materials is expected to continue declining. For 3D printing to become mainstream, industry standards need to be developed, particularly around the quality and safety of printed parts. Establishing standards will ensure that 3D printed products meet regulatory requirements and customer expectations.